I will introduce you to 6 AI Chrome extensions that will make you a productivity hacker and help you squeeze more time out of your day. Most of them are free and easy to use, so it would be a terrible time waste if you wouldn't use them. And you won't regret watching this as I explain exactly how to use them, so you will get your time back. Voice assistants and voice-based technology have been growing in popularity over the years. About 58% of adults used voice assistant at least monthly, and 24% used voice search daily. In the human world, speech is the easiest way to get an answer. However, if your counterparty sucks at speech, like in these examples,
what's 3.23 minus 1.27?
It's Friday, December 6th, 2013.
you will over time become demotivated to initiate questions and you will stick with Googling. This was until we were introduced earlier this year to the most advanced language model, ChatGPT. And with this extension, you can interact with ChatGPT with voice. Voice control of ChatGPT is introducing read-aloud capabilities. With a simple click of a button or holding a spacebar, you can record your questions and have them answered by the AI.
Hi, can you help me with my homework?
Of course, I'd be happy to help.
It allows you to have hands-free chats as the extension reads responses out loud. With multiple languages supported, this is the beginning of a personal Iron Man Jarvis as you know it from the movies. But instead of the science fiction, you can use it today and for free. So first you can prompt ChatGPT to get coached by Elon Musk or any other well-known person. To achieve this, you will give this prompt: act as my coach Elon Musk and discuss with me. Now you have your own version of mini Elon Musk on the phone answering your questions that you need to be answered.
I can certainly act as your coach Elon Musk and discuss with you.
And my second most favorite prompt for voice ChatGPT is the idea or task evaluator. After you copy paste ChatGPT this complex prompt,
yes, I understand,
will evaluate whatever idea or task you have and give you a constructive feedback.
Thank you for providing the subject for evaluation. As a universal evaluator, I will now proceed to evaluate the merits of the idea of starting a trash bin cleaning service using a 1 to 100 point scoring system. Overall, the idea of starting a trash bin cleaning service has some positive aspects, but also faces some challenges.
You can now further discuss and understand what you should improve on the idea that you have. And if you think about it, this plugin, out of 100 million users, only 300,000 users know about this. So this is a truly hidden gem. To use this yourself, it is actually fairly easy. Just install the extension. It adds a button below the input field that lets you record your voice. And with that button, you can simply submit your questions to ChatGPT. Also, very quickly, if you are looking for the internet best ChatGPT prompts for copywriting or SEO, I handcrafted all these prompts that are saving me thousands of dollars per month. Right now, they're available on my website, michalmikush.com, with 50% sales, so check it out. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's hard to find it useful if you always have to open the chat window in your browser. Merlin AI Chrome extension is a versatile tool that will bring the capabilities of ChatGPT to any website. And it's making it easier and faster to get the information and create content. The extension lets you to summarize YouTube videos and blog posts, making engaging social media content for Twitter, LinkedIn, and save time with the AI-generated email responses. All of that just with the simple keyboard shortcut Ctrl-M, and you can access it anytime. Here's what you can do. You can write a reply on a Twitter with just a click. Open any Twitter post, select any text inside of Twitter, click on the Merlin button, write reply. You can also summarize any YouTube video with just a click. You can open any YouTube video, click on Merlin summarize button, and wait 15 seconds for Merlin to summarize the whole video, and there it is. Merlin can also summarize a long blog post with just a click of a button, so you can open, for example, any press release or blog post in your browser, and you can click and get the summarizer key points of the blog. PromptGenius Chrome extension does nothing by itself, yet it's the most powerful AI extension in my opinion. Let me explain why. I use every week more than 100 super prompts that are not easy to store, not even to mention copy pasting them every time I want to use them. Especially if the prompt has variables that you need to change before you submit it. And this extension changes all of that. With 4.3 rating and 100,000 users, ChatGPT PromptGenius is a free tool that improves your experience inside of ChatGPT interface. It lets you save your chat history locally and access it whenever you want, customize the look of ChatGPT, and the most importantly, it can personalize ChatGPT interface. And how it's changing the interface, if you ask? Well, for example, create a dashboard on the main page of ChatGPT. And yes, that's right, you can place your own list of personal prompts with the ability to change the variables. So in my example, I have on the main page of ChatGPT all of these 22 super prompts for my website's Ultimate Copywriter bundle, and also all the 27 ChatGPT super prompts. Everything is easily accessible, and when I want to use my complex super prompt, it asks me for the input variable so I can easily change the prompt as I want. It is crazy how much time this extension actually saves me daily, and it's completely free. Alicent Chrome extensions, you can put an end to tedious wide switching and copy-pasting ChatGPT prompts. You can easily make this annoying time-consuming manual work put behind you. And here's the Chrome extensions just for that. Alicent is a great extension, and it allows you to access ChatGPT instantly and use any web page as a context for your prompts. Unlike the Merlin extension, it also has a library of 250 prompts, so if you are a content creator, writer, blogger, marketer, or a business, sharpen up. Alicent is simple to use and speed up the process of content generations with ChatGPT. You can access ChatGPT with one click and give it any prompt that you are used to. You can also use any text on a page as context for your prompt. So for example, I can write a Twitter post in my style. As I give Alicent my Twitter page context, it mimics my specific formatting and writing style. And this way I can really have a tool as a powerful assistant that actually knows me. It has only 5,000 users, and that makes this tool a total underdog among Chrome AI extensions. However, it is paid, but you can get a trial version and it might be well worth of $6 that it costs. As an office worker or anyone who works online, you often come across the content that needs to be rephrased or rewritten for various purposes. And for whatever reasons, such as avoiding plagiarism or customizing the text for your audience, we wouldn't be flying to the space if we had to manually rewrite content in 2023. These things can be now done with the UseChatGPT.AI. And I mean, not flying to the space, that would be weird, but with the text in a free Chrome extensions that connects you to work with ChatGPT. No account is actually required. You can just write, rephrase, summarize, translate, explain, or reply to any text on any site without copy-pasting. So here's what you can do. You can rewrite any text. To do that, just select any text on any website and you can improve your writing. You can fix your spelling or grammar. You can make text shorter or longer. You can also get help in reading any text. And to do that, you can select any text on the website and you can summarize, explain complex text in simple words, and also you can reply to any text. To do that, select any text on any website and you can respond to an email. You can reply on a social media like Twitter or YouTube, and also reply on a chat like WhatsApp, Slack, Telegram, and Facebook Messenger. And if you are getting tired of hearing about ChatGPT, Google, or Bing, you might want to listen to this. Perplexity.AI is, in my opinion, the only tool that is not only trying to integrate existing language models, but to actually compete with them. The team behind this actually consists of people working in the past for companies like OpenAI and Meta AI, which indicates that we can expect a pretty huge inventions from this team. Perplexity is an AI Chrome extension, a helpful companion while you browse your internet. It allows you to ask questions and get instant summaries of web pages. Think of it as a combination of ChatGPT and Google, or if you want, a competitor to Bing ChatGPT. Just ask Perplexity a question and it will provide you a concise answer with the site sources which ChatGPT simply can't do. Here's what you can do with Perplexity. Ask questions focused on your current domain. You can quickly ask any question from your toolbar and ask question about your current page. Perplexity can also do an instant summary of the current page. And that sounds like a great options for ChatGPT or Google. And one last thing, and I think that will be a wrap. I made this great video about 4 AI tools that no one is talking about, and those are even more powerful than most of these Chrome extensions, so definitely check it out.